Oh no. What if we open it up and there's like a million cockroaches in there?
Then that's really bad luck.
Du grünst nicht nur zur Sommerzeit, nein auch im Winter, wenn es schneit. Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? How did everybody enjoy the first day of Christmas in the Philippines, the 1st of September, the kickoff to the most awesome season of the year, which I think all of us really need after the fiasco that 2020 has been. Well, today is a very special day in the house of Mike and Nelly because we are going to prepare, and Peanut, because we're gonna prepare our little nest for the Christmas season. Actually, right now, the Busy Bee cleaning company is down in the lobby. They were so kind enough to help us sort our place up for what we are gonna be doing later, namely decorating our apartment for Christmas. Plus, they're gonna give our car Gatsby a much needed disinfecting and cleaning on the interior, which I'm super excited for because I haven't gotten around to clean the car inside properly for months. And if they clean the car even remotely as good as they clean apartments, then Gatsby is going to be fresh and crisp in a few minutes. Join us for this day of Christmas excitement. There will be Christmas music. We're going to be setting up our Christmas tree. We're going to be spreading out our Christmas decoration, and I'm really excited to see how Peanut reacts to the Christmas tree. We know from our previous cats that cats really enjoy to, let's say, attack the Christmas tree and the Christmas decoration, and sometimes try and eat some of the decoration on the tree as well. Anyway, guys, let's get this day started. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, Peanut. Mommy tells me you're scared. Oh, don't worry. We protect you from everything. Everything. No need to worry. Pinocchio. No biting. And you're not supposed to be on the table, naughty.
But that's probably my fault.
Not on the table, naughty, because you always publish videos accidentally. Accidental video publishings are not cool.
Okay, so since we are setting up the Christmas tree, I'm looking very, very forward to have the apartment clean again. Peanut does not know what's happening. Yes? What's happening? So many different noises, So I'm just going to show her that there are other people here, but we'll keep her in the office while they are cleaning because I think she's going to freak out a little bit. Peanut. Peanut cam. Wait. Ow! Okay guys, well the cleaners are outside doing an amazing job. Peanut and I are actually here in the office, right? Peanut, so much going on outside, huh? Yeah, she's a little bit scared of seeing other people here in the apartment. Also, the vacuum cleaner is kind of scary to her. She's used to our vacuum cleaner, but apparently not to the other one. Oh, Peanut, my little cutie. Look at her paws. Look at her paws. Are you excited for Christmas? Are you excited for Christmas? Just repeat what you said in German.
It is.
Say it in German.
Es ist so sauber i Boxnet. Which translates to it is so clean I can't
believe it.
Well, the literal translation is I can't pack it.
Yeah.
But it means I just can't believe it.
Yeah.
Like the transformation is just mind blowing.
So I was just told how dirty the floor was with the carpet, and this is what it looked, and now it's sparkling clean. Yeah, thank you so much. So the cleaners are trying to make friends with Peanut. Hello, Peanut. Yeah, come out. You come out? It's friends? Thank you. See you next time. Okay, I'm just going to give you a little overview. The apartment looks like brand new, so what? Are you excited for Christmas? Peanut, are you excited for Christmas? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh. Guys, the cleaning ladies from BBC Cleaners even put Peanut's favorite toys in her favorite corner. How amazing is that? So nice of them, huh? Okay guys, this is the current situation. Mike is editing a vlog on his computer. We are missing a really nice sunset right now.
Really?
But you can't see it.
Let me check. Well, that's average. You made me get up for that.
And with average you mean we had that every day in the past few days. Average from the last few weeks.
Yeah.
From the last week actually.
Yeah, exactly. We've been having amazing sunsets every day.
I mean, guys, look at that light in the background over there. It's
pretty nice.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Pretty nice. But now comes the actual exciting thing about today's day. The Christmas tree. And it is a tradition that every year when we decorate the Christmas tree, I will admit, usually we do it later in the year. But now that we live here in the Philippines, we need to adapt to the Filipino culture. So we're setting up the Christmas tree now. The tradition is we have some wine, we have some Christmas music playing, and we have something nice to eat. And today we're going to get some food from the Chinese beef noodle house, a place that we haven't eaten from in a very long time.
Yeah. the light situation right now is phenomenal. So we're going to watch the sunset with Peanut, upload the vlog, and then we're going to set up our Christmas tree. Would you look at that golden light here? It's so nice, Peanut, huh? Yes.
Ooh, what do we have here?
Well.
Look
this
what
is
the cat.
our Christmas tree. Oops.
Look what the cat dragged in.
Oh my god, I hope there are no cockroaches in there.
Oh shoot, I didn't even think of that. Oh no. What if we open it up and there's like 1 million cockroaches in there?
Then that's really bad luck.
Because this was stored outside.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Okay, let's close the doors. Oh, careful! There are the thingies in there.
The what?
The Christmas decoration.
Oh, the Christmas decorations in here.
Uh-oh. No, the Christmas decoration is in...
Oops.
I think it took half an hour to unfold the tree. Luckily, we have an artificial tree. In Austria, we have real trees, but of course, in the Philippines, we don't have this kind of
but
trees.
they're so expensive in Austria.
Yeah, it's really, really expensive.
It's like
I think it's
8 to 10,000 pesos for a tree that you have to throw away then.
yeah, that's kind of really bad. So we're happy that we have our tree from last year from Landmark. Super excited about it. And you have to make sure you unfold all the branches properly. But now comes the exciting part. And it's not that we're traveling.
It's that Mike is gonna sing. O Weihnachtsbaum, o Weihnachtsbaum, wie grün sind deine Blätter. Du grünst nicht nur zur Sommerzeit, nein auch im Winter, wenn es schneit. O Tannenbaum, wie grün sind deine Blätter.
Okay. Who of you guys remembers last year's decoration? Comment down below before I reveal the colors of the Christmas tree. And I realized, without even knowing, that it fits the theme of our apartment. Ta-da!
Wow!
Merry Christmas, baby. You're a fire and I'm burning. Merry Christmas, baby. It's alright. Are you thinking of me tonight? Nose pressed to the window, your eyes